Hi guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In this video, we are going to see about the adding styles in React. Please subscribe to our channel and click notify button to receive our updates. Let's go into the video. Here, app.js is the root module, right? So, in the root module, app.css has been imported. As you create your application, app.js will be auto-generated. So, app.css will be also auto-generated here. Okay, let's see inside the app.css. So here we can see some of the css contents, so which is going to be designing our application. Okay, let's go into the index.js. This is the thing which is going to render in our DOM, right? Here also we can see index.css has been imported. So inside the index.css, it will be having the some css part. Okay, so in the enterprise applications we might implement the css component modules and all. So we are going to develop a simple application, so we are not going in depth to the css modules and all. Okay, let's see that in the tutorials. So as I said, we are going to develop a simple application, so we are going to keep the index.css alone, so we can delete the app.css file. Okay, for reducing the error complexity, we can remove the import from the app.js as well. So now the error will go here. Let's come to the index.css. Here they have implemented the font families as multiple font families, so we don't need this thing to be implemented in our application. So I actually have a set of CSS, so I'm going to copy this and paste in the index.css part. So this is going to design our application. So I'm not going to in-depth explanation of the css. We can do a separate playlist for css in the upcoming videos. So I'll be giving a quick explanation about the css which we have used it. Okay, so what we have imported here is quicksand font, which is from the Google font. Okay, so we are implementing the quicksand font family for every attribute in the DOM. So we have designed the navbar, right? The navbar.js. So for this, we have made the navbar class and navbar h1, and the extension of the navbars, everything will be here. So we are having multiple css classes available here, but these and all will be implementing in our application in upcoming videos. Okay, at that time I'll give an overview about this. So okay, we have saved it and we have run our application, so you can see the design has been implemented. Okay, in the content we are having much of the fluffy things, so I'm going to remove some of the things in the content page. It means home page. Okay, so I'm going to remove this a tag and those things, and I'll save this. Now you can see. Okay, now it's looking good. Then there is another thing I have to tell you is that we can use this inline css as well. So in the traditional way, you will be typing style equal to, and in double quotes you will be giving the color and those things. Okay, in React you have to use a object. Okay, equal to and an object thing. So here you can use background color. Okay, so in the background color you can use some color as well. Just a second. Okay, I'll use this color as a background. After saving it, you can see the color will be updated. Okay, so this is how you can use for the inline styling. So inline styling, you can see the traditional way, the background color, what how you will be giving background hyphen color. That's right, no? So if you are using like this in the React means, it means you are minusing the two constants. Background is a constant and color is a constant. So you are minusing those two. That is the meaning for here. So that's the reason you are going to do a camel casing here. Okay. So I'll give a small example as well. So font size. What you will do is a font size of giving a 20 pixel or 30 pixel like that, right? So here you can give as a constant count minus count 1 minus count 2. Now you can save here. You can see the font size has been updated. Okay, for these kind of things only you will be using this minus. So React understands this minus as a calculation, so it automatically calculates. So for this only we are using camel casing for the inline style object initialization. Okay, so we are not going to use the inline style anywhere. So in future reference while you are creating, so these and all things you have to keep in mind for creating an inline style. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. So when you go into the down, so it automatically re-enters. So that's all for adding CSS in our application. So let's see about the click events in the next video. Thank you guys.